Hi, everybody. Keith Wilson here. I'm the president of Agile Transformational LLC. I had an interesting call from a client a while back saying, I don't have a simple way to see any of the work that's being done on my initiatives that I'm accountable for. My teams are using inconsistent processes, methods, and tools, and I don't understand the health of the projects I'm working on. And I spend so much time looking for documents, reporting work progress, and attending meetings that I have no time to work on the deliverables. Bottom line, the strategic initiatives and teamwork not aligned. We've got static reports like PowerPoint slides. We can't drill down to understand why things are blocked. There's no automatic dashboards. So my team are moving pins along a timeline in a PowerPoint, and emails after emails and Teams messages, constant changing. And I can't provide to my management a view of all the work going on, and they can't aggregate work streams from my peers as well. So, interesting call, and we came up with a solution which was using Agile and Kanban at scale and configuring Microsoft Azure Devops to provide an integrated one-stop shopping place to track progress and escalate issues, to automate dashboards. So the movement of items on the Kanban board in Microsoft Azure DevOps or ADO actually was reflected in the dashboard. No more PowerPoints and Outlook messages and progress tracking, but a simple visual workflow management tool that allowed improved prioritization and focus. The epics were aligned all the way to tasks, so aligning strategic and technical or tactical work and scaling from a story or a task in a team backlog up to a program feature or deliverable in a program backlog up to the portfolio, the epics or major initiatives that takes months worth of work to do. We integrated Outlook and Teams, so you can just say @Dan, and right from the Microsoft Azure DevOps card, Dan will receive either a Teams message or an Outlook email. Simplified and streamlined. In fact, we stripped out a number of the functionality that exists in Microsoft Azure DevOps for code management to focus on visual workflow management. Automated the reporting, had continuous improvement, and finally, management was able to make data-based decisions. And we did this not as a team of technical people that just configure applications, but as a team that have years of experience and know how to leverage Kanban at scale, Lean, Scrum, Discipline Agile, and Scaled Agile framework, as well as the basics of project management. And we help organizations receive or achieve their business agility. Let's take a quick look. Here we are in Microsoft Azure DevOps, taking a look at the all-up backlog. And I can see an epic or months worth of work. I open that up and I see an associated feature or deliverable, weeks worth of work. Then I can look at a team backlog item, this story about Outlook and email calendar integration, and then I see the various tasks associated with that story. I can also jump over here to see a team's board, and we can simply move items along from prioritize to do, doing, done, or however you'd like to label your columns. You can also have swim lanes or rows. So notice if I move this item here, it's in the standard plan, and I can move it to done and then pull it into the in progress. Now, if something's blocked, I can merely drag it down to the red or block swim lane. If we're waiting on something, drag it down here to the waiting. And if it's going great and I want to report on it, put it into the awesome. And a combination of moving items to their swim lanes and tagging them, they'll automatically appear on the dashboard. Let's go there. So here is a dashboard. And this is a dashboard just for one team, the bolts. And we see the red, yellow, green, and issues. I can also go and look at my all up dashboard. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So now I see some more data, but it's pulling from all of the teams that are in this project. And if I'm interested in understanding a particular item that's blocked, let's take this one. I can drill down on it and see all of the associated details, the descriptions, attached documents, the discussions, all in one simple place. So a marvelous tool for visual workflow management.